Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's we're gonna discuss that how can you download and also install the WordPress 6.x version by using the Laragon. So downloading and installing the WordPress is very easy. If you talk about the Laragon, you can just right click and also give the project name and hit the enter button. The Laragon automatically download all the necessary files out of the box for you. Once you downloaded the files, then you can create the PHP. Once you download the files, then you can create the database and also the username for your database, and then you can install the WordPress. So how exactly you can do that? Let's get started. Okay guys, so now as you can see, this is the Laragon. I have just started the Laragon. So the Apache is working at port 80 MySQL version. So now if I click the WordPress or type the WordPress, as you can see, this is the WordPress.org website, official website of the WordPress. So download and install it yourself. For anyone, 6.2.2, which is the current version of the WordPress, and they are saying the recommended version of the PHP 7.4, also the greater than 7.4, and this is the MySQL version 5.7 and MariaDB version 10.3 or greater than version. So here, if you open the Laragon, click on the web, as you can see, this is the Apache 2.4.5, and this is the Open SSL PHP 8.1 installed, and also some other kind of things available here. So you can download the WordPress version directly from the official website of the WordPress. But for now, I'm using the Laragon to download the WordPress. So go right click, open the Laragon, start the services, right click. As you can see, this is the quick apps. Just click on the WordPress, write your name of the WordPress or the project name of, let's suppose I'm saying WordPress from Laragon. Just click on the enter button or clicking the OK button. So now as you can see, it's creating the database out of the box for you first of all, and it's downloading the versions of the WordPress. Wait for a few seconds and now it's extracting the setup, and now it's generating the pretty URL, and boom, this is the version you have downloaded. It's 100%, 100%. Now go to the www directory. As you can see, I have installed the Laragon in my C drive. So this is the Laragon, this is the www directory, and if you open the WordPress, as you can see, this is the WordPress file. And now if you access this by using the localhost, as you can see, this is the localhost. And now if I click on the link, now you can install the version. So I don't know why it's not downloading or configuring the database. So now let's do that. I'm saying localhost, I'm saying PHP myadmin. So by default, just select the English, and you have to need the database name, also the username, and also the database password. So now I'm saying root, password is empty, just log in with the account, and here I'm going to create the WordPress new WordPress. So this is a database name. You can also select the UTF-8 or any kind of from this drop downs. By default, I'm selecting this one. So this is the database name. Now click on the let's go. Give the database name. It's a root, and also password the empty. Give the prefix. You can also use the XYZ. And by default, the database host is the localhost. Just click on the submit button and run the installation setup. So now just give the WordPress, give the username. I'm saying root, password. I'm saying this is the password. You can also give the password if you need the password. Fine. Now, okay, now you can also give the username. Keep the password in a safe place. As you can see, this is the safe place, and give the username. So this is the root. You can also use the username related to your project. Let's suppose I'm creating the e-commerce website. So this is the e-commerce, or you can write the e-commerce or anything. Just click on the install WordPress. Make sure search engine visibility. You can also select or click the checkbox button. So I'm saving. Click on the login button. So now once again, remember me, click on the login button, and boom, you have successfully installed the WordPress versions. As you can see, this is the WordPress 6.2.2 version, which is the latest version of the WordPress. So you have downloaded the files out of the box by using the Laragon, and you have created the database manually, and you have installed the WordPress. So in this way, you can use the WordPress by using the Laragon. Okay guys, so in this way you can download and also install the WordPress setup by using the Laragon. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. And please support us and also our channel by clicking subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Thank you for watching.